In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an EPUB on KDP, perfect for beginners who are just starting their publishing journey. So if you're looking to get your book out into the world, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to ensure your book is formatted correctly and exported as an EPUB file. This is a crucial step because the EPUB format is widely used in the publishing industry as it accommodates various display sizes and devices. Many word processing or book creation software have options to export your manuscript in this format. If you're not sure how to do this, a quick search specific to the software you're using should help you out. Once your manuscript is ready and saved as an EPUB file, you're all set to move on to the next steps. The next part of the process involves accessing your Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP dashboard. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to sign up and provide some basic information before you proceed. Don't worry, the site will guide you through the sign-up details. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the section labeled Manuscript Upload. This section is specifically designed to handle your document submissions and get them ready for publishing. You're now at the critical step of uploading your EPUB file. You'll see a button or link that says Upload EPUB. Click on it. A window will pop up allowing you to select your file from your device. Make sure you're choosing the correct document, with everything formatted just the way you want readers to see it. After selecting your EPUB file, you'll notice the system will begin uploading it. This might take a few moments depending on the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection, so patience is key here. Once the upload is complete, it's important to take the time to review all the information that's been input. KDP will often run a quick validation to ensure your EPUB meets their standards and requirements. You'll receive a notification if there are any format issues or if something doesn't look quite right. This is a good opportunity to make any last-minute changes or corrections before moving forward. Finally, after you've ensured everything is as it should be, you'll notice an option to Save and Continue. Go ahead and click that. This step essentially solidifies your upload, paving the way for finalizing the rest of your book's details, such as pricing and distribution preferences. And there you have it. Your book is well on its way to reaching readers around the world. Remember, taking your time with each of these steps is essential to making sure your manuscript looks its best. Thanks for